Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, then welcome to a vlog. So in today's vlog, I thought we could just spend the day together, go shopping, get a few bits and pieces. I need to get a few healthy bits because I just want to eat more healthily and get into some exercise more often. I need to get some creams as well because I've got loads of spots on my chin and that at the moment. But I hope you guys are all doing really well. I do have a few things from Primark to show you guys this morning because I went on a little bit of a shop. I didn't get too much, but I want to show you guys what I picked up. So if you are here, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe down below as always, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So I just have a few bits and pieces to show you guys from Primark. So I just picked up a few bits. So the first thing I picked up was this little pink hoodie with the drawstrings. I thought this would be really pretty for spring summer, and yeah, I picked it up in a medium, which is a 12-14, and this was, let me find the tag, this was £8. So yeah, I thought it would be really pretty with a cute little vest underneath and maybe some shorts or leggings. So yeah, I just got this gorgeous little pink hoodie with pockets in the front, and yeah, it's just a nice super lightweight one for when the sun is out as well. So yeah, I thought it was super pretty, my favourite colour, so yeah, I had to pick this up. Next up, I picked a few little vest tops up. So I got this grey one, which was £3.50. Really cute little cami vest top. Normally wear these for summer because I've got one on right now. They're just really handy. I've got a white one, little white one, because I don't have this colour yet. I pretty much have these in every single colour. Again, £3.50. And then I obviously had to go and get the pink one. Again, £3.50. Really cute. I love it, and it has like this little ribbed detailing on. So yeah, I had to get the pink one as well. And then I just picked up some microfiber socks. These were £4. I just got some plain black ones for work. And then I also got this little Twister Lolly lip balm, which is really cool. This was £3, and you just sort of twist it. This has got a little lip balm inside, which I thought was really nice. So yeah, I thought that was cute. Just a little summer lolly. And the last thing I picked up are these gorgeous pink sparkly nails, and these were £3.50. Yeah, I thought these were really pretty, and yeah, just perfect to throw on when I fancy some nails. So yeah, that was my little Primark haul. I do have something that I did buy from Sports Direct. I treated myself to a extra thick hoodie. Now this one is a Jack Wills hoodie. I thought this was really pretty with the pink. It just says Jack Wills on there, just great, and pink writing, and it's extra thick. This cost me £40. I thought I could use a thick hoodie for when we like go back around to the winter, and it'll do for evenings when it's a bit cold. So yeah, I thought this was really nice, so I picked up myself a nice thick hoodie. So yeah, those are all the things I have to show you guys this morning. I'm going to try and enjoy my day out today. We're going to do some baking later. We're going to bake all sorts, cheese scones, some cakes and things like that. And yeah, I'm just going to enjoy my day, and you guys can come along with me. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hey guys, so this is the end of the vlog. So I just did some cakes and cookies and stuff at my nana's house. I got a few bits shopping. I ended up spending only £30, which isn't a lot. And I just got some little like bath time bits like my bubble bath, some body butter and some new deodorant sprays and stuff like that. And I also had my lunch out as well. We just went to Tesco's breakfast. Always love a little panini from there. So nice. Or sometimes I just get an English breakfast. So yeah, just always love a little weekend out with my nana. But yeah, nothing really exciting happening in my life recently. Just cracking on with some makeup videos and just things like that, and then just working my life away at my job. And yeah, just doing YouTube on the side as always. But yeah, I'm looking forward to my holiday vlogs this year, so do like and subscribe down below as always. And yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in the next one.